Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, hello. Today is Monday. I just had a very good weekend. I took weekend leave and I actually went home and spent some time with my family all weekend, and I kind of didn't leave my room in the best state. I woke up pretty early this morning and started cleaning it. I'm not completely done. I did get a lot done. It looks a lot better than before. I do have a lot of clothes to put away. I have a lot of laundry to do, and I just have a lot to do to get my life together for the week. I wanted to do all this on Sunday, but I had a pretty busy Sunday. Took a midterm exam yesterday. So yeah, it is currently 10 o'clock. I did have a 10 o'clock class, but she doesn't go to class, so I don't go to class. I'm gonna go to class for there to be no teacher. So I figured I'd use this morning to kind of do a reset and get my life together. I have got to go grocery shopping. I've got to do my laundry, which I'm probably gonna go start that now because that's probably gonna take the longest. So yeah, my detergent and my book bag is in the car. I'm gonna bring my homework down there to the laundry room to get some work done. I have to go all the way to first floor just to do my laundry. But gotta do what you gotta do. So y'all, my mom got me a new phone. It's the iPhone 13. She literally just surprised me with it out of absolutely nowhere. I was not even ready for it. I don't have a case for it yet, so I'm kind of nervous to be really walking around with it and stuff. So all this stuff on my bed, I have to like kind of put away. I will do that when I get back. I have a pretty busy day ahead of me. I really just need to go to the car, get my stuff. Oh, I gotta get my laundry card. I keep my laundry card in this box because that's where I keep my old wallet because I lost my wallet. Then I found it after I lost it. Don't lose your laundry card. I actually kind of hate doing laundry here, and I hate doing everything here, because it's so extra. I did bring my phone. I have my backpack in the car with my computer. I also have my headphones. I wish I started this a lot sooner, because I hope there's nobody down there doing laundry. I can smell the laundry from up here. That's how you know if there's people in laundry. Just smell, usually smells like detergent. So more things I need to do today. I need to go grocery shopping. I have 0 groceries. I need to also buy a phone case. I've got to do that. I do not want to be walking around without a phone case. Y'all know how I am. She just scraped her entire car. That could not be me. All right, so now I'm in my trunk looking for my detergent. I have to back here something. Oh, there it is. I need to clean my car. Everything is a mess, guys. I don't even want to put my phone in my pocket because I feel like it's gonna fall out. Sorry, we're gonna put it in this safe place in my bag. All right, so I had my laundry in my trunk for a few. I mean, not my trunk, my back seat, because I was supposed to been do laundry. I didn't, as you can tell. Bro, do the elevators work? Welcome to the gulag. Oh my god, that made me miss playing Call of Duty so much. All right, I'm in the laundry room. I'm putting my backpack down for now. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot how to do laundry here. The last time I did laundry here, Eden was helping me. But now, I'm in this by myself. All right. Have you ever wondered what it was like living in college? This is it. The elevators are broken, so I have to haul my laundry up to 3rd floor, which is a pain in the astronaut. I need to go get my other laundry. I have a whole nother basket upstairs. There goes my laundry. Oh my gosh. I didn't put any detergent. I didn't put any detergent. I'm so stupid. I just put some in. Hopefully it gets it. So I'm probably gonna go back up to 3rd, get my other laundry baskets, and bring it down here. We might as well get our laundry out the way. The only thing is I don't know how I'm gonna carry all of that back upstairs. I might have to take 2 trips, which is so disgusting. Like, I will make it work. Normally, I never leave my clothes unattended, but there's literally no one down here. It's Monday morning. A lot of people are probably going to class or not thinking about laundry whatsoever. They usually do that on the weekend. But the elevators are broken. Such a pain to have to go up the stairs to do laundry. Oh my gosh. The elevators have been broken for a minute. I'm hot. I'm changing my shirt. I'm hot. I really wish we could open windows. I like to air my room out. That's when I just turn it down a little bit. People might be like, 65 is so cold. And I turn on constant fans. That usually gets it to kind of circulate. Turn that on. That's my little scent. Because if not, girl, you're gonna be smelling yourself over and over again. Ooh, I almost dropped the camera. All right, I'm about to change into a shirt because jeez, it's hot. Okay, changed into a shirt. Here's another obstacle of freaking living in college. This is my laundry basket. It's broken. Look at this. That's the string. So put that on my list of things to buy today when I go to the store. Laundry basket, because I need a laundry basket. No, I haven't gotten ready for the day yet. I literally woke up, peed, cleaned my room, and now I'm doing my laundry. So I am gonna get ready a little later, but so far, this is what I look like. And I'm not changing it. I might go the inside stairs. Oh, then I have to walk through the lobby, which is so embarrassing. Do I have my keys in here? Oh, yeah, I do. Okay. So, should I go out those stairs? I'm gonna go down the outside stairs because it's closer to the laundry room. My sock! My sock! Wow, that was a trek. It's so dirty in here, bro. If there was a broom, I'd literally start sweeping. I really don't like the way people treat this place. Like, I get it, this isn't your house, but we all gotta live here. People be keeping this place in such a mess. Alright, first of all, we're gonna put this on heavy and hot because I got towels in here. I'm picky about towels. It's got 34 minutes. Last thing I'm putting in. Now that my laundry is going, I'm gonna set an alarm for the shortest time so I can put it in the dryer, and that's 33 minutes. My laundry is officially started. I'm going to leave my laundry baskets and my detergent in the laundry basket, and let me show y'all where I'm about to get to work at. A few doors down from the laundry room is a learning center and a study room. So here's the study room. It's hot in here. Does the air work? Of course it doesn't work. It's so hot. There's a fan in here. Maybe on like 3. Okay. I swear nothing works here. Anyways, I'm probably gonna sit down here. You know what? I'm taking the fan to the other room. Think about it. It's a smaller place that has to be fanned, so it should be cooler faster, right? Does that make logical sense? Now I'm gonna sit down, get to work, get as much done as I can. Guys, first of all, I'm really walking around looking like this and I don't even care. Second of all, while I was sitting here thinking about, I was preparing my brain to start doing my homework, right? And I had the idea to take leave again because my sister was texting me and she was asking me when am I coming back home. Let me show y'all. She was asking me when I could come back home. I think she misses me. She said I could take leave during the week. So if you don't know what leave is, I feel like it's so loud in here. I'm sorry. It's the fan, but it's hot. If you don't know what leave is, basically you have to take leave to be able to not be at your dorm for like room check, and because that's where you're supposed to be. So you have to take leave if you're not gonna be there. So I'm gonna take leave for tomorrow. I just got back from leave yesterday, but I wanna go back home. So I'm about to take leave again. I miss my family. I liked being at home so much. It was great, and I wanna go back. So I'm about to take another leave. What should my reason be? Bro, this is gonna be so good, bro. That's gonna be so good. I'm so excited for this. I did not know I could take leave during the week. I'm really putting that as my reason. All right, I applied for leave. I'm going back home. Okay, now I need to do my homework. I sent a picture of my leave to my family group chat. Bro, look what my dad said. I switched to Spotify. It's so much better. Guys, I look so tired. Like, watch this. I look less tired up here. No, I don't. I still look tired. This last one has 4 minutes. But now that I think about it, I could have done my laundry at home, but I didn't know I was gonna take leave again, and I had already started. Spotlight, moonlight, moonlight, spotlight, moonlight. Why you tripping, get your moonlight? This is my music video. All right, guys, so we're back upstairs now. My laundry is officially completed. So you guys know I don't have a real TV. I normally use my projector, but I don't have it set up right now, and I'm not about to set it up just to fold my clothes. So I just pull my computer screen up, and then I'll just watch a movie while I fold. I'm watching The Guilty. I started it twice and fell asleep. So I finished my laundry. I just have my towels to put away. I'm about to go to class. You ready?
Eden's in the bathroom.
Alright.
This job recording is so easy.
Hello.
How you doing today?
Hello,
And
everyone.
up to you. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning to ya. What is that fruit?
That's a watermelon.
Bro.
It's just a baby watermelon.
When did you get that from?
Trader Joe's.
Bro, oh yeah, I'm going shopping.
So
Hi,
cool.
Eden. Hi, Lexi. What do you have on those?
Them big
Raining. Alright, guys. I just went all the way to class just for him to tell us that he gave us a few announcements, and then he was like, "You're dismissed," which was fire because I did not feel like going. So I am back in my room. It's pretty much clean for the most part. I'm not completely done. I am gonna finish though, because I do want to completely clean my whole space. I need to run some errands, but I was thinking since I applied for leave, I might just wait until I'm on leave and ask one of my parents to take me so I don't have to pay for it. But I do need to get a phone case for my phone, so I might need to do that. But as far as the grocery shopping and getting a laundry basket, or I might just do like that kind of shopping on Amazon, but not the grocery shopping. I want to go to Trader Joe's so bad. So I might just wait and do that. But I'm about to get back to writing the papers that I was writing before. Probably work on that for now. I just had a tomato soup. It tasted really bad, actually. It was one that you microwave, but it just didn't look right or taste right, and I still ate it. I feel fine, but it just didn't taste good. It didn't satisfy my taste buds. I could really go for some cereal right now, but I don't have any milk. I'll just have one of these. This is my little snack drawer. But now that I'm back in my room for the day, I might put my projector back up. I'm about to go shopping on Amazon because I need some things. Should I do a haul of the stuff I shop for after it comes? Let me know. Oh, you know what? I could go get the acetone out of my car and soak these acrylics off. That's what I want to do. My fingers are so messed up. I'm so done getting these stupid nails. I just went down to the lobby to get COVID tested. We get COVID tested every week and it is mandatory, so I just did that. I'm about to go for lunch. I'm probably gonna get sushi. Well, I don't know why I'm saying probably. I ordered it for pickup. So I'm getting sushi for lunch today. I'm also gonna go get my phone case. And yeah. So it's time to run some errands. I'm bringing my backpack because I never know when I'm gonna wanna stop and do homework, maybe at my house or the park. There's also this cafe that I really wanted to go to that it looks like a cool study spot. I think we're planning to go to the computer lab tonight. Probably not tonight, but later on. What time is it? So probably when I'm done eating and getting my phone case, we'll probably be going to the computer lab later. Me and everybody in my little friend group who is in microcomputer applications. Ooh, with some